7 foods that burn belly fat. There is no magic bullet for losing belly fat, and no specific food can target fat loss in just one area of the body. However, including some foods in your diet can help boost metabolism, decrease appetite, and promote overall fat loss, which may include the belly area. The 7 foods are: number 1, fatty fish. Fishes like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce visceral fat. They are also a great source of high-quality protein, which can help increase metabolism and reduce appetite. Number 2, avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help in reducing belly fat. They are also high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer. Number 3, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and seeds like chia or flax seeds are high in healthy fats and fiber. These nutrients help in making you feel full and can lead to a reduced calorie intake. Number 4, legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in fiber and protein. Including them in your diet can help in reducing body fat by improving digestion and keeping you full for longer. Number 5, green tea. Green tea is known for its antioxidant content, particularly catechins. Some studies suggest that combination of catechins and caffeine in green tea can boost metabolism and promote fat loss. Number 6, whole grains. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread over refined grains. Whole grains are higher in fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can aid in reducing belly fat. Number 7, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in fiber and antioxidants. They have a low glycemic index and can help in managing weight. Combining these foods with a balanced diet and regular exercise can be effective in reducing belly fat. For more detailed information, visit our website erastoworldhealth.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.